Uh, All right, so let's see what's going on with the market. Um, so you probably noticed that we had a sharp turn of events. Now, I don't usually go into news, and I'm not going to do that because to me it's pointless. But as I've mentioned in our previous sessions, that we had gone with a long time, a full more than 2 weeks, 3 weeks without distribution day. So what usually happens when we go long periods without sell-offs is the market is going to retaliate. It's like going to the gym and working 24/7 with and working out 24/7 without having any breaks. Your body's gonna retaliate. So this is a bit expected. I saw this coming, considering the fact that we went so long without distribution days. So that is what's going on. But all in all, the market as a whole is still in a good standing because just this one sell-off day is not enough to say, oh, we're in a downtrend now. So right now we're still in good standing in an uptrend stage two. So the market is still running strong for now. It just had to have this. As far as our portfolio is going, we are still in good standing. At We didn't lose much money, and our stock hasn't yet advanced enough for us to buy more shares, and that's understandable because of how the market is going. Um, Considering the stocks we were going to buy in, as you see with our buying technique, we buy at all-time highs and we didn't buy in. So that means we lost no money. It's all part of the way we control our risk. We can see clearly that we had a exhaustion going on here. So that is completely understandable. Another buy point, we can move our buy stop to down here or even right above here. Am I going to do that? Probably not, because I just like buying at all-time highs. And plus, look at this drastic drop, almost more than 50%. I don't trust that. But the stock may recover. It might be some institutions like panicking or something. And this is another stock I'm watching. So you can see a common trend that most stocks are starting to look like they're tipping over. This is a telltale sign when your stocks start to sell off of a correction. Maybe a downtrend is approaching. But I never like to predict. But it is a telling sign when your stocks start to sell off and sell off and sell off. It's a telling sign that a downtrend is approaching. So you may want to move your stop losses closer. Matter of fact, because of that, I'm going to move my stop loss closer. So in case the market does crash, or I mean not crash, but in case the market does have a downtrend or doesn't perform well, I keep more of my money. So as you see, we were going to go in with we're planning on getting a Yeti with 50 shares. We started with half of it and going to buy more over here, but the market isn't acting right. So we haven't lost much at all, and we're not going to lose much. And that's how I trade. So I think this is a good spot to put our stop loss now. And to be honest, I would like to move it up here, but I want to give it a little bit of room to prove itself if the market rebounds or not. And that's a quick catch up. Any questions?
No, I would like to know if it's appropriate to pick up any of to do some bottom fishing of some of the people that were hurt.
I like if you've been following so far, I don't like bottom fishing. Like I don't know when, like, the market right now I can say is in the uptrend. I don't know how long the uptrend is gonna last, but it's still in a current uptrend. It may be getting ready to correct from this may be day one, and we may have several sell-off days coming up. um I don't know. But all I know is that currently today, as of today, is still in an uptrend and in good standing. Now, let's say the market does go into a downtrend and it starts to correct or go like, and it starts to correct. Would I say like average down, like buy, try to find the bottom? No, never ever advocate for that because I don't know when the bottom is gonna be. And you only can only go so long and lose so much money that it becomes painful. And plus, we don't know how long it's gonna take a stock to recover. So it's better to cut your losses short. So if you buy a stock and then you it's going in a downtrend, you keep buying more shares. How long, even if the uptrend comes up, how long would it take for your stock to recover? You don't know. It may take months, it may take years, it may take weeks, it may take days. I don't know. So that's all like gambling and betting on that. You just don't know. So let's say it takes months, that money that you're losing and it's just going sideways or it's still going downtrend, you're wasting it because it could be in a stock that's in an uptrend and gaining you money. So I would never advocate to try to bottom fish, try to catch the bottom, try to do anything to the bottom. I'm always advocating if the stock is making you money, double down. If it's not, get out as soon as possible. If you lose more than 10%, as I've been showing in my trading, when the stock lose when I get into a stock and I lose more than 10% on my entry, I'm out. I'm not going to lose more than that. If if it goes up, I break even. Then I work with profits. And then I keep buying more because it's proven itself to make money. But if it's proven itself to lose me money, why would I buy more shares? I hope that makes sense.
That's certainly a way to look at it. I-
Yeah. I mean, we just don't know how long a stock will be trending downwards, and we don't know how long it will be trending sideways. So that is literally a waste of your time, value of the money, plus the value of the money because it's losing. You're losing money as it's going down, and you're losing time because the time that you're waiting for it to come up, you could put in another stock that's already going up.
Okay, well, thanks for the update. I'll look for you next week.
No worries. All right. See ya. Have a good day.
Okay, you too. Bye.
Bye. Uh, Stop recording.